Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Philips. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on. Open control panel, then enable the Bluetooth if it's disabled, and your headphones should reconnect with your phone automatically. But there is a problem for iOS devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically, and we need to reconnect these headphones manually. Open Settings and go to the Bluetooth. Then tap at your headphones its device list and we reconnect it. You can also try to do this on your Android device, because sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So try to do this. Just tap at your headphones in the Bluetooth. Okay, next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So at the right ear cup, near to the USB-C port, we have power button. We need to press and hold the power button until the LED light near to the USB-C port, until you will see the white LED light. Okay, here we go. Now these headphones disconnected, and then we need to turn on them. Here we go, and these headphones reconnect automatically. Also, you can try to tap on them at the device list, because sometimes it happens with all devices, as I said, that you don't want to reconnect automatically. Okay, next step, if the soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset, and it's pretty simple at these headphones. So all you need to do is just press at the same time ambient sound control button at the right ear cup and power button, this one. Okay, now let's do this, and you should see that the LED light flashing white and blue. So press and hold. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect these headphones with the phone. Open Settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Then click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click Forget Device or Forget this device or Unpair, or maybe you have Remove. Click at this button and then Forget Device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Now, after factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we need to tap on them at the device list. And we just reconnect them. Now check if the factory reset helped you. If it doesn't, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once we did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. Firstly, I will show you how to reset it on iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have systems what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, on your iPhone you need to open Settings, and then you should go to the General Settings. So tap at the General line, then scroll down. Right here at the bottom we have Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click Reset. In this window you need to select Reset Network Settings, because there is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. So let's click at this line. Write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your Android, open Settings. And then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system. Right here, at least on stock Android, at the bottom, we have reset options. So we need to scroll down, click at the reset options, then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!